All right, happy Monday. Here's the rundown for Algebra A for May 18th through the 22nd. Today, Monday, in addition to either looking at the PDF file or watching this video for the rundown, I need you to watch the video for part 3 of the notes for 4.3. Your assignment is worksheet number 4 from 4.3. That is going to be due on Tuesday. Tuesday morning, I will run or Tuesday afternoon, I'll run a help session at 2 o'clock. Use AA Kosanke as the login for Google Meets if you have questions on anything from 4.3. And worksheet 4.3 number 4 will be due again Tuesday evening. On Wednesday, you can start on your quiz review, review C. That is going to be due Thursday evening. I will run a help session again on Thursday at 2 p.m. I'll answer any questions from 4.3 or previous sections, as well as that quiz review. I will post the quiz probably in the morning on Thursday, and you can either do it Thursday or Friday. It is due Friday by 6 p.m. So again, quiz review is due Thursday. Your quiz is due on Friday, but I will post the quiz on Thursday so you have access to it both days. All right, that's the rundown for this week. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or we'll see you at Google Meets. Thanks.